In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add salary in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know how to record a salary payment as an expense so it's categorized correctly and reflected in your reports. Start by signing in to Zoho Books and heading to the main dashboard. From here, look to the left-hand menu, find the section labeled Purchases, and open it. Inside Purchases, choose Expenses. This takes you to your expense list where you can add a new entry. At the top right, click Record Expense to create a new expense. This opens the expense form where you'll capture the details of the salary payment. The first key field to set is the expense account. Click the field that says Select an Account. From the Chart of Accounts list, choose Salaries and Employee Wages. Selecting this ensures the expense is mapped to the right category on your profit and loss statement, so payroll costs are clearly separated from other operating expenses. Next, select how the salary was paid. Use the Payment or Paid Through field to pick the correct cash or bank account you use for the transaction. Choosing the right account helps keep your bank reconciliation accurate and shows the outflow from the proper place. Now, complete the remaining details. Enter the expense date to match the actual pay date. Type in the total amount of the salary payment. If you track payees, add the employee or payroll provider as the vendor or contact for consistency. In the notes or description box, add a brief memo, such as monthly salary for month and year, so anyone reviewing the books later can understand what the expense covers. If you have supporting documentation, like a payroll summary or payslip, attach it using the attachment option. This is a great habit for audit trails and future reference. In most regions, salaries and wages are recorded without sales tax, but follow your local accounting rules if your setup requires otherwise. Once everything looks good, click Save. You'll be taken back to the expenses list, where the new entry appears. Behind the scenes, Zoho Books will post the amount to the Salaries and Employee Wages account, reduce the balance of the cash or bank account you selected, and include the expense in your financial reports for the chosen date. That's it. You've added a salary expense in Zoho Books quickly and correctly. If you process salaries regularly, keep your descriptions consistent and attach the same type of backup each time to make reviews and reporting smoother. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.